you guys. There's a lot of crazy activity going on already. We got the gummy bears with the vodka. And we're right now. We got a little bit of the grass as well. We're trying to get nothing but fire movement. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh, dude, we got a crazy Mustang out here. Right here getting in the way. We got Brandon in the wild. Oh fuck, dude.
Hey, who has water?
You need an extinguisher, dude? Oh, his car's on fire, guys. Hey, la camisa, güey, verga. There you go, there you go.
Tell Gabby to get off.
Hey, get off, Gabby. Se te está quemando rápido, güey. Compramos agua, güey.
You good, Brandon? You good?
Ya, bueno, aquí, vete. Ten, échale, bueno, échale. Vete. Ya te apagó, güey. You're good. This guy putting in work in his car. I like that. Active.
That's right. You were making the dream of fuck yeah.
That's right. Hey, wait. You prevented it. Your car ain't burning today, boy. I'm happy that his car's fine. He did some beautiful work out here. Oh, what's up? Hey, what's cracking, bro? What's up? The cops came, they got off and got somebody already. I was gonna stay longer, guys, but that's how they grabbed me last time, and I ain't going back in jail. Fuck that. 1, 2, 3, 4 cops plus firefighters. I don't know why. Wait, did Brandon leave? Oh, damn. We got a chopper here. Leave me alone. And listen, I'm singing my soul to them, but they don't want to leave. Famous spot, Anaheim Plaza, super burn, guys. We got my boy Zoomy.
You gotta what?
Huh? Oh yeah, when we get off. Take it to the party too.
I'll bring it.
The same one.
I'll bring it.
Alright, save it, put it on and save it.
In my pocket.
And kiss it and lock it. Look at his car, by the way, because every time I see his car, it always looks shinier and faster. Hey, what is your famous word? No, he disappeared. I like what that happens. They just come out of nowhere. Oh, there he is. He made it cloudy as hell, guys. We got Jerry inside. That's Jerry for you. Back up.
yo?
I don't know, man. I don't know what happened, bro.
What happened? He didn't even touch anything.
He tripped in a ghost hole. Ghost hole.
It's like that.
It's like that out here. Yeah. Oh, the Beamer's here. The Beamer's here. His tire pop.
I know you do. That's it.
Damn. Again, bro. So we got all the wrap fucked up. The rim.
Oh, these are gone.
The bumper.
Gone. Oh, there no.
Oh, damn. Hey, he put on a show though. Hey, let me try to grab it. See if I can stick that. Okay, got it. God damn. Oh, damn. Alright guys, so we ended the vlog here. Look at this tire right here and look at this Mustang right here. How the hell did he even go there? Like, the tire's broken, we got the cops right here. It's 3 in the morning. Like, the roads were empty and like it just went on the divider right there. Come on now, Mustang, what's going on? It's too early for this, bro.
Spend some days in the